Okay, so this is 2016 Toyota Corolla. It's damaged from the right side quarter panel, completely destroyed. And to fix it is we have got the complete right side quarter panel, and we will show you how we replaced the bad one to a good one. The trunk is good, it's just the light, it's broken because of the impact, and obviously the tail light is also broken. This would be one of the different videos we usually do. What we do usually is that we repair the same piece, but in this case it's a little different, and we will put a new piece. We have to take out this rear windshield to work it out. This side will be opened. We will be doing some work to pull it up a little bit first, and then cut this piece and then put this piece. Now keeping in mind, we will not be putting this completely from inner side or outer side, just some pieces. This complete outer piece will go. The piece that's inside, I don't think we are going to put it, but it will be a very interesting repair process, and let's see how it's fixed. First, we would take out the cover from the damaged side. Then we take out the screws from the broken light. There were 3 screws in total. We also take out the light plugs. The light was stuck, so I had a little difficult time taking it out. I had to push it at the end. Now we have to start the pulling up process. We have to pull it up to the amount where it's easy for us to take out the damaged piece. The process does involve some smashing work. I did tell the guy to take it a little easy, and indeed he didn't listen, and we ended up breaking our own wood. Rest in peace. But we didn't give up, and we kept on pushing hard. We kept on pulling, and we didn't care breaking another piece of wood which we borrowed from our neighbors. We finished pulling up. Now we spot drill the welded points. Pretty much all the spot drilling is done from all over, and we move forward to cut the damaged quarter panel. It's time to celebrate, as we did end up taking out the damaged piece. I promise selling it to scrap. Job is not done. The points where we cut the bad quarter panel from, the same points we have to cut the good quarter panel to match it up. There's the snapshot that we did take it out, leaving behind the piece where it came from. now try to fit the new piece to see any adjustments needed from all over, just like a guy tries a shirt to see if it fits. Just like the tummy of that poor guy, we also needed some adjustment from top to bottom. After the adjustment, we observed the quarter panel fits perfectly and it's all good to start the welding. So the welding went flawless and the repair work is pretty much done. We ended up repairing the quarter panel and it's all getting ready and primed up to paint. Bumper also needed some sort of repair work, which we did end up doing on that as well. Next step is to take it to the paint booth, tape it up completely and finish up the work, and I will catch you in the final stage of this video. Finally, we finished up preparing the car. This is the quarter panel side that was damaged. So you remember we did cut this from top here and a little bit from there. Show you from different angles where we can compare the before and after effect. And this is the interior side. Those pillows were there from the very beginning. Show you a little bit from the front. This is how it's fixed.